In this video, I'm going to show you how to duplicate a photo in Lightroom Classic using two different methods, so you can choose the one that fits your workflow best. The first method is the recommended option for most users, because it keeps everything inside Lightroom without using extra storage. The second method creates a real duplicate file on your computer, which is useful when you need separate versions for clients or exports. If this tutorial helps you out, please hit like and subscribe for more Lightroom tips and easy editing guides. Let's start with the best method. Creating a virtual copy. A virtual copy is perfect when you want to make a second version of the same image without duplicating the actual file on your hard drive. That means no extra storage space is used, and you can edit each version differently. For example, you can keep one photo in color and turn the virtual copy into black and white, or create different crop styles and compare results side by side. First, open Lightroom Classic and go to the Library or Develop module. Find the photo you want to duplicate and click on it to select it. Once it's highlighted, right-click on the image. In the menu that appears, look for Create Virtual Copy and click it. Lightroom will instantly make a second copy inside the catalog. You'll notice it appears as a separate version, but it does not create a new file on your computer. That's what makes this method so efficient. If you prefer using a shortcut, you can also create a virtual copy by pressing Ctrl+' on Windows. On Mac, the shortcut is slightly different depending on your setup, but the right-click method is usually the easiest to remember. After creating the virtual copy, you can make any edits you want without affecting the original photo. This is especially helpful when you're comparing looks, testing presets, or creating alternate edits for the same image. Now let's move on to method 2, which is duplicating the actual file. This is the method to use if you want a completely separate image file saved on your computer. It does take extra storage space, but sometimes that's necessary, especially if you need to deliver multiple standalone files or want to duplicate outside of Lightroom's virtual copy system. To do this, first right-click your photo in Lightroom Classic and choose Show in Explorer on Windows. If you're on a Mac, you can choose Show in Finder. This opens the location where the original photo is stored on your computer. Now copy the file and paste it into the same folder or another folder, depending on how you want to organize it. You can rename the duplicate if needed so it's easy to identify later. After you've copied the file, go back to Lightroom Classic. Since the duplicate is now a brand new file, Lightroom won't automatically know about it yet. You'll need to import it into your catalog. Click Import, find the duplicated file in the folder, and bring it into Lightroom. Once imported, it will appear as a separate photo that you can edit independently from the original. So to quickly recap, if you want the fastest and most storage-friendly option, use Create Virtual Copy. It's ideal for different editing versions of the same image. If you need a true second file on your computer, use the Copy and Import method instead. For most photographers, virtual copies are the better choice because they're fast, flexible, and keep your workflow clean. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Lightroom Classic tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.